You may remember that the Star Wars crawler started with blue text that said a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. We will also add text like that, but of course for us what applies is right here, right now. And to add text to the page, we need to do it in HTML. We will put an aside on line 10. We are using the aside tag because it really isn't part of the main content. It is just, so to speak, an aside. Now we need to style this aside so that it appears in blue and it appears before the animation. We can see the aside styled from lines 56 to 63, and we are putting it absolutely positioned in the middle of the page. The margin on line 61 puts it 40% from the top and 20% from the left-hand side. And we also give it an animation because we want this text to be there at first, but then nicely disappear just before the other animation starts. We are using keyframes called a long time ago because that's what it was called in Star Wars. And we just set the opacity so that the text initially is invisible. At 5%, it's completely visible, so it quickly appears, and then it stays there, and then it quickly disappears between 95 and 100% of the timing of this. But we don't want the scroller to be going on the screen while we see the blue text. So we have to add a delay to the animation of the scroller, and we have added a 6-second delay there, which is exactly as much as we let the blue text stay on. Rich is showing that on line 62. Let's see the effect of that. Right here, right now is there, and after 6 seconds, it will disappear, and the scroller starts scrolling. It is text. It is still just text in a web page, so we can still select it and copy, and Google could possibly translate it, or the browser could possibly translate it for us. This is still just a web page.